What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the display acceleration disabled error you are getting while using After Effects. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First of all, while using After Effects, navigate to File and then Project Settings. Here, make sure that the Video Rendering and Effects option is set to Mercury GPU Acceleration CUDA. This will allow After Effects to make use of your graphics card to process video and audio. Next, you should make sure that your After Effects application is up to date. Close After Effects and open up your Creative Cloud application. Here, under Updates, click on Update in case there's an update available for you. This should only take a few minutes to complete. You should also make sure that your graphics card driver is up to date. I suggest using the GeForce Experience application if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, but you can also use the AMD driver suite. In the Drivers tab, simply click on Download, and the application will automatically download and install the latest driver. When this is done, search for Update to open up your Check for Updates System Settings window. Here, click on Check for Updates, and after downloading the latest OS update, make sure to restart your PC. In case nothing helped you out, then make sure to delete your temporary files. In your taskbar search, enter %temp% and hit Enter. Your File Explorer will open up, containing all of your temporary files, which are saved by your programs and should be deleted. You can safely delete everything in this folder. Some files might remain, so just leave them there. As a last resort, I suggest uninstalling After Effects and reinstall it, preferably on another drive. In your Creative Cloud application, under All Apps, click on this menu for After Effects and select Uninstall. After a minute or two, you will have the option to install it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.